Hey there, so it's Mr. Tush, and we are going to do the assignment overview for your first draft of your muckraking paper. So let's take a look at what that is. That is this 1.7. It is available to both the Monday and the Thursday crew because, we're working together. You're just working home one day and working in school in the next. So let's take a look at this. It's really simple. You've got your graphic organizer. You did your research question in 1.5. You did your graphic organizer in 1.6. And 1.7, I want you to write the paper. If you're not sure how to do it, I actually gave you a blank, so you can use this right here, and there'll be a copy for each one of you, and you can go to this paper right here, and you can write the draft right in here if you want. Okay, that is one of your options. And if you choose to do that, you can even include, your visuals by using insert image, and you do all your writing in here, and you can do all your Grammarly checks, all of that, write it in there. Or if you want, you can use the create and go to docs and create a doc and attach it. Or if you wrote it somewhere else, you can add it from your Google Drive, and you can add it in from Google Drive. If that's however it is, just get it attached to this. I want to see your first draft. Now, how am I going to grade it? I have a rubric. Of course, I have a rubric. It is one of my most charming and endearing habits. That was sarcasm, in case you didn't know. Now, what am I looking for? I'm looking to see the following things. First, I want to see if there's a hook. I want to see if there's some kind of a line in there that makes me want to read on to this, okay? I'm looking that clearly that you state the problem is this. I need to clearly see that there is a problem statement. I need to see that there are three pieces of evidence that you've brought in from the outside, reputable sources. Joe Blow's blog, not so much. New York Times, pretty good. So let's look for reputable resources to talk about three sources, right? And then I need to know why, the argument. I need to know why I care. Why should you care? Why this is a problem? And then why is it that everybody has to know about it? And then finally, engaging visuals. Now, I'm saying visuals because it might be graphs and charts, it might be images. That's really going to depend on your topic. If you're talking about some are talking about labor trafficking. Well, then you might want to show me images of that. If you're talking about a disease, you might want to show, like some of people are dealing with pandemic, you might want to show charts and graphs of the progress of the pandemic. The visuals depend on what you're doing. Hit this rubric before you hand it in. Make sure you're trying to get that done. I want to see it by the due date is tomorrow. So Friday, October 23rd is when it's due. So if you're watching this after October 23rd, let's get it done. I hope that helps. Thanks so much for watching.